A product by Multipro.
Only one person can operate the machine. You can see perfect 5mm end-to-end sealing. Let's have a look. Some cool features of this machine. Inbuilt digital production counter, for counting packed pillow. Air pressure regulator can adjust air pressure, as required. Set sealing time digitally, to reduce wastage of bags. Single press foot operating mechanism, for speedy production. Automatic lubrication, for long life of machine. Digital cooling time setting, so you can use any thickness of bag. MCD provided, for electrical safety. High capacity single cylinder system, provides perfect alignment and accuracy. Air pressure meter for air pressure indication. High quality pneumatic fittings for hassle-free work. Fully covered safety grille, for worker safety. You can pack bag, having any thickness in this machine. We use high quality fasteners, for perfect fitting and long life. Strong and sturdy body structure. Branded electrical fittings with easy to maintain coating. With all this you will get 1-year warranty, 24/7 after-sales support by our experienced engineers team and worldwide logistic coverage of Multipro machines. So what are you waiting for? Take your free demo now. Call us on +917 2020 1999. Email us on sales@multipromachines.com. You can also visit our website, www.multipromachines.com.